to it. Well, I can't. What do you want? Ugh. What do you want me to do? Am I supposed to like drag this over? Oh. Why won't you? Why won't you get up on the thing? Get up on the thing. Get on the thing. Get on the thing. Jump over. Jump over to it. Jump over to the thing. Jump over to the thing. Aha. What am I doing wrong? Clearly I'm doing something wrong. What am I doing wrong? What's going on? Oh, come on. Grab him. There we go. We've freed you, Owl Beast Man thing. You appear to have seen better days. What? Oh, you want us to get on you? Are you sure? I mean, you look beat up, dude. I wanna fly like an owl griffin thing to the sea. Fly like an owl griffin thing, let my spirit carry me. I wanna fly. Oh. But owl griffin thing. We are losing too many on this journey. We must share the load. Remember that one time we went fishing? Indeed. Are we all clear on that? You gotta move the stick slightly over and then wave your hand a few times, and then that's when the fish come. We are sorry for your sacrifice. You will be remembered, Owl Griffin. Nope, we've gone cinematic. I am no longer in control. Okay. This area is desolate. Whoa! Giant wars. Yeah, okay, fine, we'll stay away. That's just morbid. A massive sword. That's probably just a dagger. Ew. Ew. Grody. Come on. Don't worry, I got you. I got you. Hopefully the vultures don't decide to come after us. Springo. Okay. I think I see what I'm supposed to do here. And the branch will get a little bit lower until I can grab it. And now we quickly retreat across the branch before it breaks. Okay. It was worth a shot. Good try. Oh, okay. Yo! Sorry, dead giant body. Yes. Ew. More blood water. Gross. Okay. Come on. Up you go.
Da.
This way? Okay, we can go this way. We can walk across the giant axe. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh god. Is he gonna chop off the dude's leg? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay, that was the thing. Sorry about destroying your body, dude. I mean, you're dead. I don't think you really need it anyway, but still, I apologize. Ah. One of these guys, you know, is still going to be alive. You just know one of them's still going to be alive. Just to mess with us. Okay, we've got a giant crossbow. Oh, go this way? Maybe? What are we doing with the giant crossbow? Whoa.
Oh, Nayi. Yeah.
What's this over here? That's what I want to. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that wasn't important. I don't think. Maybe it was later. Who knows? It is not currently importante. I hear noises. I don't think I'm gonna like this. What's going on down there? Like some creepy ritual thing? Ew, we're all covered in blood. I hear a girl down there, or a kid or something. I get the strange feeling they're about to, like, sacrifice someone. Crazy people! We must save the lady.
Afi, هي صادي.
كيف هادية؟
Yeah, we gotta save her. Before the crazy people get all crazy and be like, oh, we're gonna kill her, yeah! Blood for the blood god! We go this way? Go this way? That didn't work.
معي تعال هون.
I get this covered in blood? I see. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, we're spooky. Run! We should be running. Conveniently placed water.